Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Perry the BNB token. Ticker symbol is Perry. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap today, a brand new listing. They're up around 200% right now. They were just at 200%. Now they're up about 167.5%. But yeah, this token's doing very well today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the first thing I noticed is on CoinMarketCap, this token does not have a web page listed on CoinMarketCap for some reason. But if you go to their Twitter, which is at Perry the BNB, real easy to find, you can find their web page listed there, perrythebnb.com. So that's really easy to find too. Now their Twitter already has 8,214 followers. They're doing very well. They have 83 tweets. It says, let's make meme coins great again with Perry. And then they have the contract address right on their Twitter. They also have it on CoinMarketCap to find there. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, all you would have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then you would trade your BSC for the Perry the BNB token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their Twitter or their webpage. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the taxes, and we'll try to find the tokenomics here in just 1 second. So they also have a Telegram at Perry BNB and 1,676 members on the Telegram. 382 of them are currently online. So they're doing okay on their socials. Now, if you go to their webpage, perrythebnb.com, you can connect your wallet to the page because it looks like they do offer staking. So you could stake the token here. If I click on staking, it takes me to pools and it says coming soon. So maybe that's not available yet. And then it has a stack amount, and then it has a staking date, an unlock date, the annual percentage rate, and the total earnings. And then you click approve staking. So they also have a full white paper, it looks like, on their page. Oh no, so that's not highlighted yet, but it looks like they will have this highlighted soon. Full white paper, frequently asked questions, all that type of stuff should be coming soon on their webpage. Let me see if I can get to it in a different way. No, okay, so yeah, it looks like they do have Medium articles though, so that's cool too, because that wasn't listed on CoinMarketCap. Their partners are Trust Wallet, CoinMarketCap, PancakeSwap, DEX Tools, PooCoin, and BSC Scan. Pretty straightforward there. So it says, proudly launching on the Binance Smart Chain, let's make meme coins great again. What is Perry? Well, the Perry token. Perry is tired of watching everyone play hot potato with endless derivatives of a Doge, Shiba, Floki, Elon, CEO, all these everyday coins. The Doge and Inus have had their time. It's time for the most recognizable memes to take over and reign king of the memes. So the Perry token is here to make meme coins on the Binance Smart Chain great again. It says it's a community-driven project. They have a link to their BSC scan here. Let me see if I could see how many holders they got by clicking on here. So their BSC scan says they have 2,809 holders so far. So they're doing pretty well. 18 decimal places on this token. 16,677 transfers. and a total supply here of 420 trillion tokens. Pretty straightforward number there. Their Medium articles didn't seem to work when I pulled it up. I don't know what's up with that, but maybe it's listed somewhere else here. So 12 hours ago, they just tweeted out, Perry is live on PancakeSwap. We are the next 100 times token. And then there's a question mark, obviously, because they don't know. But yeah, so then it also has a link to their pink sale pre-sale LP lock. So you can check that out on pinksale.finance. Now, that tells me, obviously, that they had a pre-sale on Pink Sale. So let's see if I can find that in the Launchpad list and see how well their pre-sale did here. So if I put in Perry, let's see what happens. There it is. So they did have a pre-sale on Pink Sale. They set their soft cap low at 15 BNB, and they ended up selling 75.38 BNB worth of tokens to 234 different contributors. So they do have a full audit here listed on Pink Sale as well. So they were audited by Block Seifu, and you can view the PDF of that on Pink Sale. So there's 18 decimal places on this token. It says liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 6 months. Also, 50% of the tokens will be burnt. 20% goes to pre-sale, 9.69% liquidity, 10% staking, 10% central exchange listings, and only 0.31% of the tokens are unlocked. Now, they also have a quick audit in the discussion section by Cyberscope, and you can check that out on Pink Sale. It says, owner cannot set fees, owner cannot set max transaction amount, owner cannot mint new tokens after initial deployment, owner cannot pause trading, and owner cannot blacklist wallets. So all sorts of good stuff there on their quick audit now. Besides that, they do have a roadmap available on their webpage. Phase 1 is going to be the Pink Sale pre-sale that they already finished, and then PancakeSwap listing. So that's where we're at right now. Then trending everywhere. AMAs, they already got the CoinMarketCap listing. So CoinGecko is on here as well. Then initial central exchange listing will be coming next. 10,000 holders. Phase 2 is that's when the white paper comes out, and then website V2, mass marketing, tier 2 central exchange listings, NFT collection, 50,000 holders, and then phase 3 is charities, influencer awareness, tier 1 central exchange listings, mass marketing, 500,000 holders, and introducing the Mars map. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about the Perry token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.